Oh man, I'm leaving the damn garage door open. So look at this door panel. It's trashed on this thing. 5 different colors. Alright, so we got that off because on the Bosemobile, get that, the Bosemobile, he broke the window. So I gotta use it like a kid. They gotta push all the buttons. So I figured out what was wrong. I'm poking around, go, what happened? And I see this cable. I just got a whole new regulator. See this cable? That shouldn't be like that. Something, the end broke on it or something, and that shouldn't be like that. That's how you tell if your regulator's bad, if it's a cable driven one. That shouldn't be like that. So that's the deal. Like, we got rust in this thing, we got mold. Perfect. Seems mold on the other thing. The other driver's side's worse. I just left it. I sold that about a year ago. I go, happens when you leave your windows open all the time. Like dead bugs in there. You see, you get creatures. My vehicle's not like this because when I park it, I seal it up tight. But I'm telling people for years to do that, and they don't listen, so I don't care. This other speaker on the driver's side has mold on it, so they got wet. Like this whole speaker cone is with like black mold. I don't care. So that's that. Let me go look at this shit in here. Ordered up a regulator. All this shit on the floor, junk. I can't even find my tools. This was nice when people bring a customer car like this and the whole floor was covered with shit and you would lose your tools on it. It was very frustrating. Learn how to do a half-ass job. We had a customer vehicle like that. Now we just have family vehicles like that. Because no one gives a shit. So anyway, if anyone wants to see a front regulator video, because I have a rear, that's going to be coming up. At least that's their issue. I forgot all about that too. You got to take the stupid thing off. There's a screw behind there. That was the missing screw. Anything else in here? I don't know. Hopefully not. If it is, I'm going to wind up losing it. But they actually make 2 assemblies. One with a motor, with the whole cables and everything, and one without. So that's interesting. Let me go lock up this thing. Get my keys. Hopefully it does still lock up without this module on this side. I have to put that back. In this episode of Late Night Garage, wigging out a flashlight. It's like Chinese. You gotta hit it. It is Chinese. Take the batteries out and hit it. I think my lens is fogging up. We painted the door panel. Not on my truck. On the Bosemobile. Not the Oldsmobile. The Bosemobile. So this thing was all faded, and now it looks pretty good. I still got a spot over here that's light, but we'll check it out tomorrow in the morning. Yes, we painted this thing when it's about 1,000% humidity out here, but I don't care because I did it quick. The door panel was in the house, it was dried, and we stashed it underneath the garage, underneath the wagon, where it's nice and dry. It's dried out good though. It came out so good for what it was. No reaction, no nothing. I don't think it's gonna peel. I have to strip this whole thing down. Take the armrest out. I want to breaking it. I'm making a new tab for right here now. Alright, enough of this. It's fogging. You can't see anything. You can't. We work at night because it's too hot during the day. That's what they do in the Middle East. For the Middle East viewers that are watching, I believe they do the same. They do a lot of stuff at night and not during the day. Whoa, holy shit, that one just went flying over there because it's too hot. Yeah, the window regulator broke on this on the passenger side because they gotta play musical windows. And they're hoarding big time. There's like a million things in the back. This is so bad. I don't know how to do it. So, we got a window regulator. Luckily, there's an eBay deal. Check it out. eBay is competing with Amazon. I think eBay is winning. Amazon sucks. Don't buy anything from Amazon. Yeah, wow, that is so cool. I'm looking at this thing, it's not faded green anymore. Wow, I might have it before, but the driver's side looks as bad. That worked really nice. It's a really good color match. Wow, alright. We're done. Hopefully it doesn't react, but it would have already. There's like no streaks in this thing. There's nothing. This looks so good. It looks brand new. I'm happy. They're almost hitting the side of my truck again, which is excellent. Whoa, what's that? I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's kind of just a challenge to myself. Not really for this person's vehicle, because they just destroyed this thing in like no time. So what we did here, I see a couple dry spots now. First of all, we're wearing like no clothes. I don't have shoes on. It's just too hot. So their window broke, like, because they have to use the power windows profusively, like up and down, 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 up and down. Look at the seat bottom. Another thing, they wrecked the seat. This thing is destroyed. It needs a cover. It's gonna tear right here in about a week. So that's cool. Over here, wrecked the seat belt. Alright, so basically this thing's destroyed, burned the door panel and over that. But the door panel, this one's doing the same thing. It's actually like a green color. Hard to see, but it's actually faded from here down. It's actually green and up on top. I actually painted a little bit of this one years ago. I did a quick little blend over here and up top, and it actually held. So I did it to the passenger side, and it's gonna look nice. One panel looked nice. I'll take this one off. Like a dirt and a filth though, and it's just totally disgusting. It's probably not even worth putting a window regulator in on. That's that. Actually worked out pretty good though. This Sem-Pace in 2011, when they wrecked the seat on the passenger side, they spilled something on it and like took all the neutral color off. It turned white. I didn't even think that was going to hold up, but it did. And yeah, came out awesome. Had to go scrub this thing for like an hour, sanded it with like Sem soap and gray Scotch Brite. Has a couple little dry spots and stuff, but that will wipe out if I put some cleaner on it. It'll blend in over time. On the top, I see a little bit over here, but then again, I just sprayed it too. It takes a while for it to blend in. But yeah, not bad for 2011 paint. I don't think it's gonna peel because I put super light coats on it. You just put this stuff on, it's the slightest bit, and when the green starts going away, you stop. You don't put add anymore. That should work. You know, I got cuts and they wrecked this thing. They really did. They did a number on it. That's how the wagon's so bad too. They used to drive that thing. They wrecked that thing too, and they wrecked the white truck. But luckily, I don't know how that was like a miracle. I was able to repair the damages on that thing. It used to be theirs. Yeah. So it's just one big wreck job. But at least the door panel will look good. Amazing. I could have filled this too with crack filler and stuff, but who cares? Oh, and I broke the armrest. I have the armrest inside. I had to build a new tab for this corner. It totally broke out. ABS cement, and it broke again, so in another spot, so I'm fooling with that. I'll be all back together though. At least it looks nice on one side. I'm using a classic coat, not the color coat.